Basketball, you know what we came to do. I'm back in the building. It's the Daily Trainer, and I'm ready to go once again. Yeah, I know you're like, where does he get all this energy from? The energy comes from me wanting you to be as good as you can be, and I can't wait to see it when I get all the messages from everyone using these drills to compete, be better, and be the best person on the floor that they can be, right? So, it's the Daily Trainer. It's time to get started. Let's go. First things first, we are going to go 5-spot layups. We're going to work that rip through. We're going to go finish from the baseline, from the wing, from the top, from the wing, from the baseline, back from the baseline to the wing, from the top, from the wing to the baseline corner. Lay me. Yeah, we need to do it 2 times. That's going to get our body moving. That's going to get our footwork right. And that's going to get us focusing on finishing. Okay. Then I want the footwork. Okay, for the layups, we're going to do that again. Okay, we're kicking that ball out to ourselves. We're jump stopping. We're ripping through. We want to make sure we really get the rip through. Okay, that rip and that swing. Because when you rip, swing, and jab fake, then you will have some money right there. Man. Free layup lane. Wide open. That's what we need, right? Biggest thing is really focusing on making the layups. Remember, we're going to do that on both sides. Today, we're only going to make 5, though. So we're working all the footwork, inside pivot, outside pivot, and we're working that footwork, okay? So we're going to make those, all right? So don't be too tired right now. Get to the free throw line. Give yourself a breather. Make 5 free throws real quick. Bam, we're right back to it. So now we're working floaters, okay? So we're working the right side floater. We're only going glass today, 5. Glass in the middle, 5. And then glass on the left side, 5. Okay, so 5, 5, and 5. Working the floater. So important. Please utilize this and don't jump into the defender and get a charge. Okay, that's really something that we don't want to do when working on these floaters. Okay, then we're going to work 3-level shooting to slowly start working us into our shooting. So now we're going to go layup, free throw line, 3-pointer. Okay, it's just getting that blood flowing, getting us ready for it. Okay, then we're going to go all around the world. Okay, working that touch on that shot. We're going to make 3 at each spot. We're going to go all the way around, then come all the way back around. Okay, we're only going 1 set though. And we got 3 at each spot on around the world. Okay, we're making shots here. We would like to swish the shots, but we're making shots. Okay, we're not just missing. Okay, I would make you start over, but also, too, it's been a while since we've done the drill, so I'm not going to fault you on not making shots. Okay, then we want to work our footwork into our shot. So we want to make sure when we go to the elbows today, we're going to roll that ball out to ourselves. We're going to catch. We're going to work that inside step. Make sure that plant is good. Make sure our base is good. And then hand placement is important on the ball too. Don't forget that. We want to make 10 from each spot since we're only going to shoot from the 2 elbow spots on opposite sides. Okay, when you come in from that left side, make sure that left foot is coming in, right foot's leading, boom, and then you're coming in from the right side, right foot's leading in, boom, left side, bam, bucket, gotta get it. Okay, go ahead and take a quick water break because I know you're a little tired from chasing all your misses. Now I hope you guys are out there making it, just giving you a hard time. Enjoy that water, but remember one thing, we're here to get in shape, be in the best shape. There shouldn't be any excuses why we're not. Okay, remember that while drinking that water. All right, ballers, let's go. Set the water down and let's get back to it. Okay, it's time to shoot. Okay, we got the 3-cone shooting now. Okay, so we're gonna pull up those mid-range shots on the cone, working a little bit of an in and out, working a little bit of a crossover, but we're getting to each cone. Remember, we're gonna make 3 at each cone. Okay, we got our first level. Then we'll have our second level, and we'll shoot at the second level today, knocking down those shots. All right, 3 at each cone, coming in right, coming in middle, coming in left. All right, knock them down. If you got to keep getting a rebound, you need a quick break. Shoot 2 free throws in between if needed. But if you're not missing shots and you're making them, make sure you're hustling to the ball and hustling back to the spot, trying to get them up as quick as you can. All right. Then the next thing we want to do when it comes to shooting is we're going to now step back inside again and work on the bank. Okay, the bank shot is a very underutilized tool, but it shows that consistency in that shot, knowing that you know how to hit the same spot on that backboard every time. So it's important that we use that. We're going to make 10 on each side for that. Then we're going to go to one of my favorite drills, and I still don't know why it's my favorite, but it is because I just like how it's kind of a very easy drill, but you get to shoot on all spots of the three. Okay, so you're going to go corner, shoot the three, get your rebound, take one step to the side, shoot another three, come get your rebound, and so on and so on and so on, all the way around the three, which just makes it a drill where you get to see the three from every angle, and you're not so consistent about being in the same spot to make a shot. That's what I like about it. Every single time you shoot the three, it's the same shot form-wise, but it's at a different spot. So I do like that drill. Okay, I believe it was one of the trainers that trained CJ McCollum, and it was actually a cool drill that I haven't seen before. So shout out to that trainer that did that. And we're looking for at least 10 makes out of all these shots. So if you don't make 10, you got to do it over again. But we want to make at least 10 out of these 20, I'd say around 25 shots around the key. All right. Then, of course, there's nothing else to do but to dribble up and shoot. So we want to dribble up from the three, and we definitely want to make sure we're working on going straight up and down, keeping our momentum from bringing us forward, all those different things that will not help us with our jump shot. Okay, so we want to make sure we are staying on balance, hand placement is good, pounding that ball up to the right shot pocket area, and just giving yourself the best chance of being on balance and making a shot. All right, that is going to be threes from the right wing, threes from the top of the key, threes from the left wing. Please, when going on the right wing, you want to put it in your right hand, pull up. You're coming from the left wing, you want to keep it in your left hand, pull up with your right, and then vice versa for the other hands. And then obviously either hand in the middle, which one you have to feel comfortable with, whether it's right pulling up left, left pulling up right. Okay, so keep all that in mind, but most of all, keep in mind that we're trying to be in shape and we're trying to be in the best shape. Okay, and if we're not, then you got to ask yourself, why not? Right? Basketball U, we got one more thing to do. Oh yeah, let's go. That last thing we're going to do is, oh, you guessed it wrong. You thought I was going to say running, but we got jump ropes. We got 5 sets of 100 jump ropes. Yeah, that's right. I want them to be different variations though. Okay, so we're going to go one leg jump, left leg, then I want one leg right, okay, then I want 2 feet, but then I want an explosive jump after, okay, and then on the last one, you guys can freestyle and do whatever. If you want to hop on one leg for a little bit, hop on another leg for a little bit, whatever you want to do, but all these need to be 100 in each set, okay, and once you do that, basketball, you are done for today, okay, yes, that's right, I'm letting you go, not a whole lot of running. It's okay because the jump rope also kind of gives you that conditioned feel. So that's what I'm going to let you in with. And again, thank you so much for building the community to what it has been today and what we're going to continue to build on. Again, like I said, new content coming, of course, for you, just so that you can stay up to date in the latest of basketball for a game that is ever so lovely to play. And I hope you enjoy playing it, and I'm hoping that you're enjoying these workouts that I'm trying to give you. And I'm going to find some equipment and just anything else to enhance our game. So be on the lookout for that as well. I'm not creating it, but I'll give you some that someone's making out there. All right. Basketball U, always remember this. Someone's always working. Are you?